Alright guys, welcome back. And we got the X0-1 back on the table here, fresh off its 101 mile an hour pass we did in a couple videos back. So in this video, we're going to be making a couple little tweaks. So I want to keep the stock system in it. I kind of want to see how fast we can get this thing to go with the stock power plant. But we are going to make a change, mainly this 44 tooth spur steel one. Replace the plastic one here. But the biggest reason for this change is to not really get more speed, but to get this pinion away from the spring. If I turn this here, you can see it's actually been making contact with the pinion, so it's really close. I don't know if you see that, but a little too close for comfort for me. So we're going to drop down from this 46 tooth spur to this 44 tooth metal spur, and do a little tweaks to the suspension here. Maybe run some, I don't know. The seems to be okay, but we might make some adjustments here at the front, because with these BSR foams, it's a smaller diameter than the stock one. So we'll continue to play with the springs a little bit, then go out and make another pass, see if we can better that 101 we did. So let's do it. All right, first order of business is going to be taking this center brace off. Got 2.5 millimeter bolts in the back, 2 millimeter right there for some reason. Yeah. Take this off, come back and do the next step. Alright, so once you get the center brace off, we're going to remove these 4 screws right here, and the back half of this row clip should come off. It's going to be a 2 millimeter. Alright. Should charge my drill for this. I'll get these off. We'll come back to it. Alright, screws off, back off. Easy as that. 4 little screws holding on all of that. And then there's the spur we'll be changing. So voila. Just pull it. Now I'm going to pull this bearing off. You have to get that grub screw out of there. 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter. Well, you know what? Might be able to do it without. Yeah, actually, you know what? Scratch that. Should be able to do it just by taking these screws off here. Can't believe it's plastic spur gear in a 6S 100 mile an hour road car. It's crazy to me. Once you get the screws off, front and back, take that apart. A plastic one, and then just replace it with the smaller one, metal one. Alright, let's get this back together. See how much clearance we gained. Perfect. Alright, got it put back together, and did get a little more room there. So 2 teeth down on the spur, might be able to go up 1 or 2, on the pinion if we chose to. I might look at some different springs, maybe try to get some more room, or go to a spool. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, meshed up real good. It gave me some more space, so got the batteries already charged. So now I just got to go run it, see if we can improve on that 101. Alright guys, out here at the spot, and it is ridiculously hot today. Anyway, I already set up, ready to go. Just gonna get to it, because it's hot. I did tape the front, so That was odd. Huh. Is it bottoming out? Yeah, I think it was bottoming out. Let me, okay, let me go adjust those springs up a little bit. I did move them down some. Alright, let's give that another shot. Something's... Alright, see what happens. Something's not happy with this car. That's usually how it goes with this car. It really is. Yeah, let's go get it. Alright. Oh, this car seems to be acting funny. I don't know. There's grass. Everything's fine. Alright, honestly, I don't think that was faster at all. Come on. Uh-oh, did I lose the GPS? No, there he goes. Stop. Read it. 96. Yeah. I shouldn't. I'll try it one more time. I think this is exactly what I did last time. Finally broke 100 though. Alright, one more time. Alright, let's give it one more attempt. Track. Track. Start. Alright. I'll try to stay in it, get in it earlier, stay in it longer. Hopefully it doesn't drive off the road again. All clear. Let it stop. Oh, come on. Oh, there he goes. Oh, this range is suspect for sure. Ah, boy. It's hot. It's too hot. Too hot. Here we go. Oh, well, that's about the straightest that car has ever gone, but I think it kind of went upside down. Hard to tell. I can't get it back though. Let's drive down there. Yep, on decel, it kind of got in the grass and it spun around, spun upside down, but a lot of dirt in it. Everything's good. I know it still ended in a crash, but that thing, it's about the straightest that thing's ever gone for that period of time. Alright. Stop. Read it. Boom! 104. There we go. Heck yeah, that's progress. Let's take a little screen cap of that. There we go. 104. Progress. It's progress, but this thing needs work. It's kind of all over the place. So yep, I'm going to work on this thing, and yeah, 104. I'm pretty happy with that. With just a $13, was it 13 or 19, whatever it was, it's under $20 spur, and there you go. Probably would have done that on a stock spur, to be honest with you, but getting this thing to drive straight, that's the trick. That's the trick, guys. All right, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.